Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix stream VR not working. So how can you fix that? First of all, open the stream and go inside your library and just select the game that you're facing issue with. Just right click on it, click on properties and just go inside the installed files and just click on verify integrity of game files. Once you click on it, it will verify it and hopefully it will fix your problem. Let it just load and once done, just try again if your issue is fixed or not. But let's say you still face the issue, so just close the VR from here, exit Steam, completely exit it, and make sure that it is completely closed. And after that, just restart it and try it. If not, the third thing that you can try is just open Steam. Just click on Open File Location, and once you're inside here, Steam, just right click on it and again open File Location. It will take you directly to the installed folder of Steam. Just right click on it and go. Just click on Properties and go inside compatibility mode and just run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and also make sure to tick this option called run this program as an admin. So once you tick it, click on apply, click on OK, and hopefully that will fix your problems. That's a simple and easy process of how you can do that.